ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಂಜುಂಡಮೂರ್ತಿ. ಈ ದಿನ 4ನೇ ಸೆಷನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊದಲು ಲಾ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾನೂನು ರಚನೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ವಿಚಾರವನ್ನು ಈ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ದ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರೀಸ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ and there is no distinction between the government and non-government bills. Introduction of the bill. The bill can be introduced by any member of the house who may write his name on the bill and drop it in the box laying in the clerk's table. Ordinary bill can be introduced in either house, but a money bill can originate only in the representative house. First reading. After the bill is dropped in the box by a member of the house, gives it a serial number and printed in the journal of the house. The copies of the bill are distributed amongst the members. This completes the first reading of the bill. Then the third stage, that is called committee stage. After the first reading, the bill is referred to the appropriate standing committee by the speaker. This is the most crucial stage in the journey of the bill. The committee examines the bill in the detail and can ask the executive officials and other interested person to appear before it. After thorough consideration, the committee may recommend the bill be passed in its original form, suggest certain amendment, redraft the bill, recommend for rejection of the bill, take no action on the bill and thus kill the bill. Second reading. If the standing committee recommend the consideration of the bill, it is taken up for detailed discussion by the House. At this stage, amendment can be proposed which are accepted after due voting. Voting on the bill as a whole also takes place at this stage. Only if the majority of the member vote in favor of the bill, it is taken for third reading. Third reading. This is only a formal stage and no debate on the bill takes place. Only in the title is read. However, in case of controversial bill, the member can demand the discussion on the bill as a whole and propose new amendment. At this stage, vote is again taken on the bill. Next stage is bill in the other house. After the bill is passed by one house, it is sent to the other house, where it goes through the same process again. In case of disagreement between the two houses, the bill is referred to the conference committee consisting of equal representative from each house. The committee tries to resolve the differences. In case no agreement is possible, the bill is killed. The last stage is assent of the president. After the bill is passed by both the houses, it is sent to the president for his assent. The president has to take action within 10 days. He may accord his assent or apply his veto. If he accords the assent, the bill becomes act. But if he applies his veto and the Congress repass the bill by 2/3 majority, the bill becomes law even without the approval of the president.